Papa preparing chai. Mommy
Making plain paratha.
plain paratha. Here some more and there's some more. Nice. So welcome back to another video. We'll have breakfast and then we'll go and see the progress of the house. Let's see what's going on. So now we are at the work site and that small mountain was made yesterday because masla रह गया था कल तो उसको ऐसे ही like if you leave it will dry up वो एकदम hard पत्थर बन जाएगा तो they mix some sand and stones and then cement का मात्रा को they dilute it and seems like it's dried up already. हाँ बहुत ही जल्दी सूख जाता है. Yeah, it's completely dry. Somewhere around there will be toilet ka tanki. We underestimated the cost of the foundation because we thought like it won't go that high above the ground, but it had to, and so we are spending extra money. Now let's go up our house and let's see what's going on. So, oh, there are walls already. I see. Nice. How tall the windows are. It's 2.5. 2.5 feet looks really tall. Yeah, as for us, we'll put our windows at the height of 2 feet. How about this? Are these the same? Let's measure them up. 2.6. And if we look our house from here, वो रहा हमारा घर. अभी फिलहाल घर जैसा दिख नहीं रहा, but it will look like a घर very soon. Some of the mysteries have arrived. अब जाके देखेंगे, and then we'll water the post and everything because the post looks so dry. अब डालेंगे पानी. Can you reach? We need more force. Yes. Good boy. You are wet now. Wet pillar. पहले जो पास में उसको डाल देते हैं, उसको भिगो देते हैं. Another round of gitti, and the wall also another side. They have put up the wall on the other side. They removed from the front side. Doors have arrived. दरवाजे और खिड़की ऊपर वाले के लिए. Laying the bricks, it takes itana time. Building the foundation and everything takes itana time. So once our floor is ready, ईटा जोड़ने में it won't take much time. तो हमारा भी बन जाएगा. Pass from ground floor to top floor. 6x4 windows. हाय जोर लगा के Nice. Now it's time to cook and mom is not well, so I have to do the cooking again. And yeah, I cook rice. Now I'll fry these beans and then I'll make dal. And yeah, that's it for lunch. Ta-da! Master cook James. Master cook. Now the time is 1:39. Let's go and see the progress. So all the pillars are now up. And there's another wall beside the one which they had earlier. So अभी दिखाता हूँ. अभी खोल के दिखाता हूँ. रुको. इसमें मसला फुल. इसमें भी फुल. उसमें भी फुल. उस वाले में भी फुल. तो उसको आज निकाला था. So it's full now. बस अब इस तरफ भी they've made the passage. अब यहाँ भी वैसे ही पत्थर बिछाएंगे. फिर इस तरह का वाल इधर भी आएगा. और इधर कुआं टंकी खुदेगा पहले. Which will be for the सेप्टिक टैंक. ओके, बिग टैंक. शायद इन सब में एक हफ्ता निकल जाएगा इसे. एंड मम्मी वेंट फॉर चेकअप एंड शी इज बैक with Maiju. Mommy. Alright, so let's go home and eat because I haven't eaten anything yet. I was waiting for mommy. I cooked beans, like I fried beans and I made dal and then rice. That's it, guys. I'm not that good, but I can manage, you know, if need be. Chance. Now let's go up and see. ऊपर का प्रोग्रेस देखते हैं कहाँ तक पहुँच गया वाल और खिड़कियाँ. हाँ, खिड़की 3 खिड़की लग चुके हैं. सो फास्ट. इतना तेज़ कौन काम करता है भाई. इस रूम में तो खिड़की ही नहीं है. खिड़कीच नहीं भाई. हम तो लोहे वाला लगाएंगे, आयरन. आई एम नॉट किडिंग. लाइक आयरन फ्रेम and the doors and the windows, everything. For the doors we'll use wooden door, but the frame will be iron. Let's see when our time comes, will we be able to afford it or not? Because money is going like water. It's flowing like water. And now the time is 2:58 and here's an update of what's going on. They're working so fast. Oh bhai, windows up already. So many work to do, guys. बहुत मेहनत की काम. And my father is also working. I don't know why. What is he doing? So his name is Deepak. He is our contractor. Shyam bro is also working. Very hard. Very hard working. Now the time is 5:04 and that one is also ready. Now we're working on this one. They're working pretty fast. Even that one is all ready now. Now the time is 4:53. Almost time up. And little bit of masala is left. So we are going to pour it there. And then we'll end the day. Nice. So tomorrow we'll continue the vlog from there, and hopefully tomorrow that wall will shift here. So this wall will be done by tomorrow, and they'll start to dig the tanki hopefully from tomorrow, and their house, it should be done. So I'll catch you up tomorrow, guys.